what's going on? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another day, part of my 31 days of Halloween. Today's video is sponsored by MODA brushes. You guys know I love their brushes. I've been using them throughout the entire month of my 31 days of Halloween and they're amazing. So if you want to get them for yourself, just use my code Julia, Julia. Click on the links in the description down below to the brushes that I used in this video, or you can get whatever brushes you want. And if you use my code, you'll get some moolah off. So today's video is in collaboration with Tania. Make sure to go and check her out. She is amazing. She is like my assistant slash intern slash she's extremely talented, so you need to go check her out. So the look that I have for you guys today is this one right here. It is not my best work, I'll give you that, but it is something really simple because I know that we don't always have all the time in the world. We don't have 3-4 hours to sit and do a makeup look, and that's what happened here. I have about an hour and a half to get my shit together and make my way out the door. So I wanted to give you guys something quick and something super cute, and it looks really put together. And I know that if you're going to like a bar or club, maybe you don't want a ton of makeup on your face. This literally took me like a half hour to do, and it's cute and it's a little different too. So I hope you guys like it. If you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So we're starting off with a base all over our face, and we're jumping into the BH Cosmetics Desert Oasis Palette, and I'm using the MODA Crease Brush to blend just a transition color into my crease. For the lid of the eye, I used my finger and then I buffed it out with the eye shader brush, and I just used a shadow or a highlighter from the Collab Makeup Highlighter Palette. I'm popping on some mascara and lashes, and I'm jumping over to some eyeliner. I also showed you guys I did a little crown kind of thing. I really just stuck the flowers in my hair, actually. Nothing crazy. Then I'm using the buffer brush to buff some bronzer all over my face, and the multi-purpose brush to get some blush on these cheeks. For highlighter, I'm just using the Highlight and Glow brush, which is one of my favorite brushes from MODA. And then I'm jumping back to the crease brush into a pink to add some pink to the look. And now we're moving on to the teeth of the skull. So basically how you do the teeth of the skull is you kind of want them to be upside down teardrops on the bottom and then right side up teardrops on the top. I'm using the MODA Smoky Eye brush for this. It was kind of like the perfect size brush to make this shape the easiest, and I used the Huda Beauty Space Panda paint. And then we're moving on to the liquid liner that we used before to create the rest of the pieces of the skull, so the lines in between the teeth and then the lines on the cheeks. So I'm just creating all of those, and then I jumped back to the nose and created the nose piece, which is kind of similar to the way the teeth look, except I like to give the nose like two sides to it, if that makes any sense. So then I'm jumping a little bit back and forth. We're adding the additional lines to our teeth. And once we're done with that, I took some of the bronzer that we used and the darker browns from the BH Desert Oasis palette, and I'm just adding that to the hollowness. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the darkest shadow at the end by my ears and then the lightest by the teeth. So I'm just going to blend that all together, and then I blended a little bit of a lighter shadow. And I wanted to give some shadows to the temples too, just to make it look a little bit more skull-like. And then I did jump back into the pink. By the way, this pink that I'm getting is from the Jouer blush palette that we used before. And I'm just using the MODA crease brush to blend this pink all over the skull. I feel like this really brought everything together. I wasn't like loving it. I'm like, it's missing something. What is it missing? And when I added the pink, it was like the missing piece. I also added some white liner to the waterline, and this is the final look. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you liked this, please give it a thumbs up. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the middle of the screen, and check out all of my other videos on the side, including my Halloween tutorials, my makeup tutorials, hair tutorials. There's some lifestyle stuff, all that fun stuff. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.